IBPS RRB has released more than 11,000 posts for the post of office assistant, scale 1 officer, scale 2 officer and scale 3 officer. Probably this could be the last time that IBPS RRB would conduct any kind of exam for the prelims. As you all know, from November onwards, NRA CET will be implemented, where all the prelims will be taken care by this one board, that is NRA CET. Namaste to everyone, my name is Srinivas. Welcome to our channel Smart Sutra, where we make videos for competitive exams and soft skills training program. So I have made some 6 points here. Point number 1, I'll be dealing with all the points which are common for all the posts. So let's begin with that. So total number of vacancy, as I've said, more than 11,000 posts. To be precise, it is 11,753 posts. The fees is 850 rupees for general and OBC category and 175 rupees for SC, ST, ex-serviceman and people with disabilities. The dates, the post has begun from 8th June 2021 and the last date is 28 June 2021. Probably they may extend due to pandemic because a lot of states have lockdown and people cannot reach cyber centers. But it is said that you can apply through a smartphone also. Probably they may extend or they may not, but make sure that you fill the form as soon as possible. Probably at least by 25th you have to fill the form. The date of call letter. Call letter will be available from 9th July onwards. And the prelims will be conducted or probably will be conducted in the month of August. The results of the prelims will be in the month of September if it is conducted in the month of August. The mains exam, you always get only 20 days to 30 days gap. So it will be in the month of October. And the results of the mains will be in the same month. It will be coming in just 15 days or so. Then if you qualify, if you pass the mains exam, for scale 1, scale 2 and scale 3 officer, you will be called for interview. It will be in the month of November. And once you are done, the result of the final result will be declared in the month of January. And this is the beauty of banking sector. You know why? Because everything is announced initially. That is, the whole calendar is announced. If you see a total of 6 months process, unlike SSC and railway, the process is too long and not sure. Here it is usually sure. Okay, and that is the reason a lot of people want to get into banking, because an unemployed graduate suddenly, if he prepares for a year and in a matter of a year he'll be employed as a public sector employee, and this is the reason a lot of people want to get into banking sector. So this was some common points about all the posts. Now let's move to the post number 1, that is office assistant. The total number of posts for office assistant is 5,930. For Karnataka, it is 297 posts, where Karnataka Grameen Bank and Karnataka Vikas Grameen Banks are participating. And for Maharashtra, there is 362 posts, plus there are some vacancies which are not released, not released by Vidarbha Konkan Grameen Bank. The 362 posts are from Maharashtra Grameen Bank. So this Vidarbha Konkan Grameen Bank, they have not released their post. So it may happen that this post may increase. The post of assistant may increase with time. So you never know, okay? Because initially even Karnataka mentioned as NR, and now there are huge vacancies in Karnataka. So similarly in Maharashtra and in many other states, still there is the letters NRA written there, which says that they have not released yet. Okay, so coming to the qualification, any degree. Okay, for assistant it is any degree, and the local language is important. If you are from Karnataka, you have to know Kannada or Konkani. If you are from Maharashtra, Marathi, okay, all these languages are important, okay, because it is related to regional rural bank. So you need to know your local language. Okay, there will be a local language test also. Coming to the age limit. Age limit is 18 years to 28 years, and there are a lot of relaxation for categories. 3 years for OBC categories, 5 years for SC/ST categories, 10 years for people with disabilities, and a maximum age for ex-serviceman is 50 years. Okay, you have to be exactly 50 or less than 50. And if you are a female candidate who is a widow or is divorced and you are still not married, the relaxation for you is till 35 years for general merit, till 38 years for OBC, and till 40 years for SC/ST. Okay, so this was about age limit. And coming to the salary is around 20,000 to 25,000. The selection process for assistant post, here there is no interview, there is only prelims. If you pass prelims, you will be called for mains, and once you pass mains, you will be called for document verification, where probably the local language test will be conducted here. Then exam pattern. Okay, the exam pattern, it is slightly different from that of the normal IBPS. I have also made a video where I have compared the normal IBPS with IBPS RRB. Okay, it is slightly different. The syllabus here for prelims, it is only quantitative aptitude, that is numerical ability and logical reasoning, 40 marks. Okay, total of 80 questions and 80 marks in the matter of just 45 minutes. Okay, so no English. Once you clear this, you can apply, that is, you will be called for mains exam, where it is again logical reasoning, but there is computer knowledge test and general awareness, numerical ability. All these subjects can be given for the first time in any language: Kannada, Marathi, Telugu, Tamil, whatever language is comfortable with you, you can give that. But there is an English test or Hindi test. Okay, for North Indians, this is really good. If you don't know English, you choose Hindi, and all the other exam also you can give in Hindi. And that is the reason, this exam is considered to be tougher than the IBPS, because here there is no English test, and a lot of non-English speakers want to get into this post because of one thing, that is, there is no English test involved in this. Total number of questions here are 200 and marks are 200, and in a matter of 120 minutes, that is 2 hours. Okay, so this is the total process I have explained for office assistant. Now let's move to scale 1 officer. Okay, now scale 1 officer is equal to that of a probationary officer in SBI or IBPS. Okay, the total number of posts for scale 1 officer are mentioned as 4,506 posts, where for the state of Karnataka, the post release are 170 posts, and Karnataka Gramin Bank and Karnataka Vikas Gramin Bank are participating in this recruitment process. Maharashtra, it is 172. Vidarbha Konkan Gramin Bank is not participating because they have not released their post yet, as mentioned in the post of assistant. Now the qualification is any degree as for the assistant post. Okay, but yeah, one more thing, your degree, you should be having your degree which should be at least the provisional degree should be there with you by 28th of June. So you should have your degree with you before 28th of June 2021. If you are in final semester, you cannot apply. Okay. And for scale 1 officer, it will be given a preference will be given for people with agriculture degree, horticulture degree, forestry degree, or animal husbandry degree. Okay, even any degree can apply, but this provision will be given for people with agriculture degree, as it is related to regional rural bank. Then coming to age limit. Age limit is 18 to 30 years. There are some relaxation. 3 years for OBC, 5 years for SC/ST, 10 years for people with disabilities, and a maximum of 5 years can be given for ex-servicemen. Okay, that is 30 plus 5 years. Then salary is around 30 to 40,000, your initial salary. The selection process, the extra process here is there is interview here, there is prelims, there is mains. Okay, and finally you will be called for interview. Okay, so your final score will be based on your mains exam and your interview. So prelims syllabus, it is same as assistant. Okay, and mains exams also it is same as assistant, same. Okay, then the interview, if you see the total marks for mains exams is 200, it will be converted into 80 marks, and total interview marks is 100, and that will be converted to 20 marks. So total of the ratio of 20 is to 80, that is interview 20 and mains 80. So based on these marks, you will be selected for the post of scale 1 officer. Now coming to scale 2 officer. Scale 2 officer number of posts are are different for different branches, okay, different domains. Now, I have divided them, how they have mentioned, I have divided them so that you will understand better. Now, the scale 1, that is specialist officer, okay, scale 2, I'm sorry, scale 2 specialist officer, that is agriculture officer. There are 25 posts in total, okay, in the whole state. So you need to check out whether it is available in your state or no. If you want, you can give it in different state. Only thing is you should know the language there. The qualification required for agriculture officer is BSc, BTech or MSc agriculture. Okay, BSc in anything. Okay, BSc in anything related to agriculture, that is animal husbandry, horticulture. Okay, but you should have 2 years experience. It could be in private sector or government sector, but it should be related to agriculture department. Okay. Then the next post for scale 2 officer is marketing officer. Total number of posts are 43 posts, where you should have the qualification of MBA in marketing. The MBA should be from a recognized university, and you need to have 1 year of experience. Okay, marketing. Then scale 2 officer, treasury manager. Total number of posts are 9, and you should be qualified. That is, the qualification required is CA or MBA finance, and you should have 1 year of experience. Then scale 2 officer for law. Okay, total number of posts are 27. You should have law degree and you should have 2 years of experience. Then a scale 2 officer for chartered accountant. Total number of posts are 32. You should have a CA degree. Then you should have 1 year of experience in CA. Then a scale 2 officer for IT engineers. Okay, 59 posts. Qualification required is B computer science or information science, information technology or electronics and communication. 1 year experience is required in this field. So any software company experience also is accepted. Then officer scale 2, general banking. Here the posts are more, and that is 914 posts. Total experience they have asked is 2 years in banking. Okay. So this is scale 2 post, and total number of vacancies are 914. You need to have 2 years experience in any banking. Okay, there are a lot of people working in Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, ICSC Bank. You people can apply. Any financial institution you have any experience, you can apply. Private sectors. Okay. Then even government sectors. If you are in any public sector bank and you have 2 years of experience as a clerk also, you can apply for this post. Okay. Now coming to the age limit of scale 2 officer, age limit is 21 to 30 years. You have a relaxation, that is 3 years for OBC, 5 years for SC/ST. Selection process involves mains exam only, there is no prelims, and once you clear mains exam, you will be called for interview. Your exam pattern here, exam pattern and syllabus. Scale 2 officer, that is general banking, where there are more than 900 posts. It is similar to that of mains exam of scale 1 post. Okay, scale 1 or even assistant post, it is same. The syllabus is same. Okay, there is reasoning, computer knowledge, financial awareness, English language or Hindi language, and data interpretation and quantitative aptitude. Total of 200 marks in 2 hours. Specialist officer, that is, general is general banking, so it is similar to that of scale 1. But in specialist officer, there is one extra subject, that is professional knowledge. Okay, if you are from marketing, there will be a marketing exam, MCQ type. If you are law, if you are from agriculture, if you are from IT, your subjects will be there, and you will be only giving mains exams. Okay, total number of questions are 240 here. Okay, in 2 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, in 2 hours and 30 minutes. You have extra 30 minutes here, but one extra subject also. Okay, so this was related to scale 2 officer. Now let's move to scale 3 officer, which is senior manager post. Total number of vacancy are 208 posts. Age limit here, there is some more relaxation here, that is 21 years to 40 years. Then selection process, it involves mains exam, okay, and interview. Directly mains exam and directly you will be called for interview, same as scale 2. And the syllabus is same as scale 2, that is reasoning, computer, financial awareness, English or Hindi, quantitative aptitude. Okay, so this was about the details of the post. Now coming to strategies to crack. Okay, now strategies to crack, firstly I have made an automated webinar, a free webinar on how to crack your bank exam in your first attempt without joining any expensive coaching. The link of the webinar is there in the description. Okay, just click there and within some few minutes or few seconds, it will be directed to the automated webinar where in detail about the whole banking process, the hierarchy, the selection process, everything about banking plus how to crack is being mentioned there. Okay, I have presented it in a very systematic way. It is for at least 70 to 80 minutes. You can get trained there. Okay, it is for all the banking sectors. Okay, it is for RBI, SBI, IBPS, anything related to public sector bank, it is there. Then if you want our courses, for basic course, lot of recruitment process, they announce that there is free coaching for 1 week, and people who are freshers, they don't even know the knowledge of the subject. They end up leaving their place, they make room in cities and they join this coaching. This coaching will be conducted by some coaching institutes. Okay, they will just give the demonstration. In 1 week, it is impossible to crack. Okay, in 1 week, it is impossible to solve even five problems of each topic. Okay, it is that lengthy. So don't get carried away with these things. You can take our course, okay, just 5 rupees course, which is designed for 5 days. Okay, and it is lifetime valid, where you will understand whether you are really able to comprehend this syllabus. Okay, banking exam is not meant for all. Okay, if at all it suits you, if you are able to comprehend English, you are able to comprehend this quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning. Yes, English is not, it is an optional. Still, you can start with just 5 rupees course. Okay, if you like, then you can take our course of 1499 rupees. I want to tell you, this course was sold for 15,000 before. The actual value is around 20 to 25,000. Okay, and if you want to improve your soft skills also with this, the course including soft skill and banking together is 1999 only. The course actual cost is 70,000. It is now available for just 1999. In many languages you can learn. You can learn in Kannada, Marathi or English. Okay, you can switch any language. Just download our app. I'll give you the details now. Our app detail, you have to download our app called Smart Sutra. I'll be giving you the link also. And the website of ours is smartsutra.in. And if at all you want career counseling session, if you want to take appointment for understanding what career suits you and all, it is smartcareergoals.com. So this was all about the details of the IBPS RRB. Huge vacancy, hardly you're getting 11,000 posts and all in banking sector. So huge vacancy, a lot of people are already preparing. You can take our course, which is simplified course, more than 1,000 videos in multiple languages with lifetime validity. Okay, I hope this video added some value in your life. Please download the app and make sure that you will watch the webinar, free webinar, which is there in the description. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share if this video added some value in your life. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notification of our latest video uploaded. Check out our app Smart Sutra, where we have made our digital courses on communication skills, English grammar, personality development and competitive exams. We have courses from just ₹5 onwards. For career counseling, please check out our website smartcareergoals.com. Thank you.